Hi, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I want to share what I have learned after attempting to learn Rust 6 times. Over the past 7 years, I have tried learning Rust 6 times and gave up multiple times. However, this time I feel like my learning is finally on the right track. So, before you start to learn Rust, I think the most important thing is identify your motivation for learning Rust. So, are you learning it to explore a new programming language, pursue a personal interest, or satisfy your curiosity, or enhance the performance of existing application? So for me, when I first started learning Rust, it was because I felt curious about its unique features like memory, safety, and ownership. So I decided to give it a try. And when start learn Rust, I think it's better just focus on the Rust core concepts like ownership, lifetime, generics, and trade. And I think I shouldn't spend too much time on the general things in every programming language, but on only the unique and cool ideas of Rust, so I can make the learning process more focused. And yeah, practice more, and after practice we can gain intuition through it. And when I looking back at my failed learning journey, I realized that I gave up too early and didn't practice enough. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect. Without sufficient practice, it's difficult to recognize patterns when programming in Rust. So when you are stuck, and you can go back and refer to the book or ask AI for help. And I think after you learn enough fundamentals and trying working on real world projects, and for example, you can build a calculator, a terminal app, an HTTP service using the Axiom framework, or even a Redis server. When I build projects with Rust, I can truly appreciate its advantages. For instance, its error handling is far more elegant compared to Golang. And I learned how to customize error handling, how to do TCP programming in Rust. So through this process, you will gain a better understanding of what Rust excels and what challenges you might face when implementing certain features. And it can give you feedback where you can learn more about. Rewrite existing app service with Rust. Since you already understand the functionality of existing tools and apps, you only need to focus on how to implement those features using Rust, which can decrease your mental pressure when learning Rust, and try to break down it into smaller, manageable, and easy to learn parts. So when I was learning Rust, I want to quickly learn it. So after learning a new concept, I would immediately move on to the next topic. But actually, I should spend more time reflecting and practice enough to make sure I really understand it. And try not to learn every details of Rust at the beginning. Instead, we should first focusing on master the fundamentals and unique cool concepts first, and then apply them to real projects. Because there are too many details in Rust, and attempting to learn all of them at once can lead to frustration. I once tried to learn everything in detail, but before I could finish, I felt overwhelmed and I gave up. Yeah, that's all my lessons learned in the Rust programming. So I hope my lessons can help you to learn Rust programming in 2025.